p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lawndale Furnace, or near Clifton Forge, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lexington, Clifton Forge, Goshen, Collierstown, Rockbridge Baths, Millboro, and Iron Gate. This includes the following location VMI.
All right.